Hey guys, what's going on? Dallas here with a video. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're back for my subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you and I appreciate you watching this video. This video is going to be an update on the review that I did, or not the review. I was talking about the inversion table. Now, I've had the inversion table for a little over a year now, and I've had like super issues with my lower back. I was going to the chiropractor like 3-4 times a week, and it was getting expensive and I really wasn't seeing results, and I got this inversion table, and this is going to be the update on how things went down. I got this from Amazon for I think like $100, and off the gate, you think you want to go hang for a long time, and that's the exact opposite. It's all about volume. So just do it like twice a day, and you'll definitely see definitely a benefit. Now, there's 3 different or 4 different type of levels as far as the degrees of how inverted you want to hang. So what I do is I just have it at 30%. It's nothing too drastic, and you can just feel your spine decompress. Now, I'm gonna be showing you some stuff that I was doing alongside with hanging on the inversion table that really made me like brand new. Because if you guys were following my videos before, I mean I didn't really record it, but I was hunched over, and it wasn't any good at all. So this is really changing. So I'm just gonna hop on this and show you the setup. Right here, they have different levers of, you know, how tall you are. So I have it pretty much stretched out pretty tall. Since I'm tall, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop on this bad boy right here, right? And they have these clamps. So what you do is you put the clamps in, and the goal is when you're inverting, you sit back nice and controlled, and what you can do is your body weight is automatically gonna guide you down, right? So you can either do it that way, or you can hold on to this if you're kind of scared that it's going to go quick. And what you do, you just let gravity do its thing. I usually just set a timer for like 5 minutes, and I just hang out here. Now, when I was going through all the issues that I was having with my back, I would do this twice a day, but yeah, I would just hop on that twice a day, but now I don't even hop on it anymore. What I usually do is if I start getting a little pain, I'll just hang on here for like 5 minutes, and I usually get some pain relief. Now, I'm gonna show you on the next slide what I do too. Why I say slide like it's a PowerPoint. What I do every day too, well, I don't do that every day, but what I do every day just to elongate my spine and everything is dead hangs. Now, the dead hangs, I've really felt the benefit in my shoulders. I felt like I'm getting a whole lot stronger, especially like with my pull-ups as well. So that decompresses your spine, and hanging decompresses your spine as well. So all I do is hold on to the rings and then just hold it. Now, what I usually do is try to just relax as much as I can. And what I'll do is like literally like after 5 seconds, I can feel like pops, like crackles and pops and stuff, like my spine just elongating. It just feels really good. So I just hang out there for a little bit. And what you can do is if you don't have rings or you don't have a bar, I can show you a setup what you can do. I can show you a setup that you can do even at your gym. I'm not sure if you can tell from my video. But I'm 6'5", so this squat rack goes up I think to 7 feet. So for me to hang, I literally have to like stoop down. So that's why I like to use that right here. But what you can do is if you don't have access to a bar, or rings, what you can do is put it on like a lower setting, go underneath, and hang just like so. You're still gonna get the same benefit. So try to hang on for as long as you can, and just breathe here. If you do that like once a day, I'm telling you, you'll definitely see a benefit in your lower back without doing any exercises. Now, I have been doing exercises. If you want to see the exercise that I've been doing, drop me a comment to see if I'll do a video on that. I'm not sure if I will, but yeah, just let me know if you want to see that video. But that's pretty much what's helped me, and it'll save you a whole bunch of money, because like I said, I was going to the chiropractor 3 times a week, and it gets expensive. I mean, per session is like what, $45, and I wasn't seeing a benefit. But if you like this video, please like, subscribe. More videos like this is coming soon, because we gonna get it in. Oh yeah, we gonna get it in.